Welcome to STMicroelectronics at Sensor Converge 2025. I'm Francesco Doddo, Director of Sensors Applications for the region America, and we're really thrilled to have you here in our most sustainable booth ever in the region America. Our booth this year and our presence is fully carbon compensated. With the topic of Sensor Converge this year, we're gonna show how we can help designers build their autonomous cloud-connected applications with a team of Sensor Converge that is to put together sensing, processing, and connectivity to deliver innovation and sustainability. ST is proud to have 3 nominees that honors individuals are a rising star in semiconductor advancement in technologies. Specifically, we're proud to have Tiago Reis, Ruchi Rapadaya, and Luis Goben in the field of MEMS, optics, and edge AI. Let's see how ST drives innovation through semiconductor technologies, product, and solutions. Come with me. Let's start with our dual high-G IMU up to 320G that allow to track and monitor events before, during, and after they occur without any loss of information. And as you can see here, a demo where you can test your strength and still monitor the activity with the high-G. And this is useful, of course, for applications like gaming and smart glasses, AR, VR, etc. Or another case of the application is the asset tracking, where you can see how, for example, you can use a package and drop a package and still measure the impact and recognize all the events that are occurring in the meantime, and use also machine learning for context awareness to understand exactly what is happening during the event. This is very good for good guarantees. So with the biosensor, ST is introducing a new paradigm in sensors where we're using both accelerometer data or IMU data and analog signals for ECG measurement, where we're giving a context to biometrics information. And here you can see, for example, how the board is looking at ECG, how the sensor is looking at ECG parameters, and it's also taking into account movement of the system if you move the system around the board. All right, let's move to the next application. We're going to be talking about predictive maintenance with sensors. Come with me. So we're here with our platform to show how sensors can monitor vibrations together with currents. And this platform is also powered by an ST spin motor control kit that is our chip for motor control. So you're controlling the motor, but at the same time taking care of those important parameters with MEMS sensors, current and voltage, to understand and predict if there are anomalies in the motor. And we're using our ST Edge AI platform in order to detect those anomalies. All right, let's move now to the next section where we're going to look into our optics applications. And here we have a nice racing car demo experience where we're using our direct time of flight mini LiDAR module in order to detect the movement of the hands and really have our people driving the car thanks to our technology. Next demo is about 3D mapping, and here we're using an evaluation kit that has been developed by our partner Sayana System that is using our STM32N6 microcontroller with neural processing unit to run Edge AI models and to recognize event through our direct time of flight mini LiDAR sensor that is recording the scene in the background where you can see a person over here. All the models are running at the edge in this case, and the system is battery operated, so no connection to the power. Next two demos, we're going to focus on global shaders, still with our STM32N6 microcontrollers with embedded NPU, and still with the 2 evaluation kits from our partner Sayana Systems. In the first case, we're looking into real-time object detections, where, as you can see, we're moving objects and recognize each of the objects in the field of view directly within the STM32N6 microcontroller. And in the second demo, we're doing real-time pose estimation, still at the edge, using our monochrome global shader. Next, we're moving into connecting sensors to the cloud. And specifically, we're showing here how IoT Connect from our partner Avnet can securely connect sensors into the cloud through our ST-Safe secure element and our ST4SIM secure element. So next, we're thrilled to announce our partnership with Clica and especially the support of Amazon Sidewalk. And here we have two demos that are showing exactly how this works. In the first case, we have a scene detection where we are identifying cars, for example, that are moving on the street with our STM32N6 microcontroller that can process events in the edge, and our connectivity with LoRa and Bluetooth Low Energy that is sending data through the Amazon Sidewalk to the cloud. Next here we have another demo that instead is taking data from sensors and is doing shock detection, vibration, and theft detection, and is sending those information, if you move the board, again, through LoRa and BLE and the Sidewalk network directly into the cloud. Finally, we have our NPU demos here, where our STM32MP family can run very complex AI model in the system in order to address applications like edge AI for industrial and consumer.